what's up, everybody? My name is Rob Anderson. I'm here with Jay and Lisette tonight on the Las Vegas Strip. They're a couple, so we're going to do a little bit of couples magic for them. Jay, how long have you guys been together?
3 years.
3 years? Congrats. So 3 years ago, you started dating maybe, went on a couple first dates, learned about each other, held hands, you know? I want to take you back to then. The beginning of the relationship, when you first held hands. Here's what we'll do. Jay, I need you to hold one hand out towards Lisette. Got a card, let's use the 10 of spades. Lisette, I'm gonna hand this to Jay. I'd like you to place your hand on top of the 10 in his hand, so you're holding hands. Put it on top. You guys remember the first time you held hands? Yeah? Should have been kind of romantic. This is romantic, right? Got another card. Ace of Hearts is good for you guys to have. It represents love, you know? As you guys think about the card that you have, look at the card that I have. As you visualize your card, we're gonna try to change the card just like that. Look what you have in your hand now. Look at that. There we go. And you've got the heart. We're off to a good start. Hearts are good for you guys to have. Tell you what, I made a prediction before I came here about meeting a couple and how compatible you would be. I think you're going to do great at this. Okay. Seem very compatible. I think you'll do great. No, it's going to be good. I'm the one that's going to look bad if this messes up. Don't worry. Lisette, could you hold your hand out and hold these 4 cards just like I have them with your thumb gently holding them in place? Perfect. You're holding 4 queens right now. I won't show you just yet, but I made a prediction on one and I'm committed to it because you're holding the cards, okay? 2-part trick. Jay, your part is first. Okay. I want you to imagine the 4 queens in Lisette's hand right now. There's a heart, diamond, spade, and a club. Imagine me removing 2 of the cards. They're either black or red cards. Okay. Out loud so we can all hear you. Tell us which ones you imagine me taking, black or red?
Black.
That's right, they're gone, leaving red cards in Lisette's hand. Lisette, the red cards remain in your hand. Nope, not yet. No. In a second, we're gonna get you very anxious to get the show over with. It's okay.
They're not.
It's okay. There's
She
4.
doesn't believe you.
There are 4 cards there, but like I said, there's a prediction on one. Imagine yourself if you were holding the red cards, which Jay has chosen for you right now. You're holding the heart and the diamond. You can keep just one of those. Would you like the heart or the diamond? Heart. The heart, Queen of Hearts. That's a good choice. Yeah. We start off with hearts. What's really interesting about this is you guys work together to think of the Queen of Hearts. The only card I predicted you would choose was the Queen of Hearts. And that's why I took it out of a totally different deck of cards. Now I told you, let's put this away here. I told you there were only gonna be 1 card in your hand, right? I didn't bring any other queens. There was only 1 queen in your hand the whole time, just the Queen of Hearts.
Awesome.
Thank you. Let's do the grand finale, big finale. We ready for the big finale?
Yeah.
Here we go. Lisette, think of any happy memory you've made with Jay. Could be anything, don't say it out loud. I just want you to think of it. And when you have it, I want you to think about what time it happened to the nearest hour, 1 through 12 o'clock. And don't say it though. Can you imagine that just in your mind? Okay, 3, 2, 1 o'clock, okay? My job's to figure out what time you're thinking of. I think I have a pretty good idea of what time you're thinking of. I gotta read your mind though. I'm kidding, it doesn't do anything, again, with this being 12 o'clock, I'm gonna spin this just a little bit. So if this, again, this is 12 o'clock, I think the time you're thinking of is 9 o'clock. Yes or no? Close? Was it close enough to be 10 o'clock? The 10 o'clock card was very special then to you. Out of all the cards in the deck, you thought of the one that would wind up at 10 o'clock. Now, that must mean that this card is important, because out of all these cards, only 1 wound up at 10. I'm gonna show the camera, I'm gonna show Jay what this 10 o'clock card is. And Jay, when you're ready, I'd like you to show Lisette what this 10 o'clock card is when you're ready.
I think so. Is that a yes or a no? Yes. Here you go, baby.